TSW25 Active Marathon Expo.
Hello, I am Madhurima. It's 19th of December 2025. This is a special day for me. Right now, I am going to Netaji Indoor Stadium for the big collection of Tata Marathon, Kolkata Tata Marathon 2025, which will be on 21st of December 2025, the same red road. And I'm going for the big collection. So this time, I'm going for the Anandu Run, that is 4.5 kilometer prox. And I have never been to Netaji Indoor Stadium, so I don't know how to reach there. First I'll go to Esplanade, and after that I will decide how to go. And one more thing, this is the last time marathon I am doing. Why that in another video I explained that. So but okay, I don't regret for anything. Everything happened for a cause. So going Tata Pro Camp Netaji Indoor. It's very close. Way too active. So this is the Netaji Indoor, and I don't know, it's very close. I took a bus from Esplanade and they told me that you have to get down at High Court. I said ke ami kichu chini na. He said ke chalo nabiye debo. So we get down and this 2 minutes walk from here and 10 rupees fare.
The BIB collecting time, it was very easy for us.
56
Here is my BIB for Anandoran, no timing cheap.
This is the BIB collection center, Netaji Indoor Stadium, and I have collected my BIB, that is for Anandoran, and that's 4.5 kilometer approx. Now I'm going to runner's bag collect, where to collect race day tea, so we can have the t-shirt also. Let's see, Anandoran goodie bag collect center.
There's my goodie bag and BIB. I'm so happy. In fact, the bag is very cute and useful for the run.
So I have got my BIB and then a bag, the goodie bag. I love it. And let's see what else I can get. T-shirt is not for that Anando Run. That is for 10 kilometer and 25 kilometer only. So let me see what we have. I have already my T-shirt. So T-shirt is chargeable. You can choose anything. So I have my T-shirt, and the BIB, there is no name in the BIB in front of that. So it's really good. I never thought that I will come to Netaji Indoor, and that is also for my race. This is something really good. For me, it's a proud moment, definitely. Okay, so there is Anandoran. From here you can collect the goodie bag and T-shirt and runner's bag. Runner counter. No, it's for 25k race day T-shirt for female and male. For 10k and Anandoran there is no T-shirt. What else? That was the parking sticker. From here I collected my BIB. So this is Netaji Indoor Stadium. My BIB collection time was 12:30 to 2:30, but I came earlier and I collected my BIB. So let's see what else we have.
Your supporters are running for decades.
I saw them in JBG Run.
The Tata Steel World 25 Kolkata 2025. It is the very first day of this 10th year of the Tata Steel World 25 Kolkata. These are decades.
So BIB time verification is not applicable for Anando Run. So we don't have to verify this BIB tag. So I don't know what is the running tag and all.
আমরা ভীষণ আনন্দিত ভারতবর্ষের বিভিন্ন প্রান্ত থেকে কিন্তু মানুষ আজকে আসছেন আজকে প্রথম দিন আমাদের টাটা স্টিল ওয়ার্ল্ড 25 তে কলকাতা 2025 এবং উই আর রিয়েলি ফিলিং অনার্ড টু হ্যাভ ইউ অন দিস স্টেজ আমরা অত্যন্ত আনন্দিত এবং আমরা সবার আগে ল্যাম্প সো উই আর রিকোয়েস্টিং প্লিজ একটু হাততালি চেয়ে নেব সকলের কাছ থেকে একটু করতালি চাইবো সকলের কাছ থেকে This is the sound of energy, you know, the strength. Kolkata, what's going on with you all? সবার জন্য আমরা এগিয়ে যেতে পারি। So আমি অবশ্যই আমাদের সাথে দেবাশিস বাবু রয়েছেন, আমি
Shell Cal,
রাখতে পারি। তো
RFC.
ক্রেডিট বস্তু বিদেশ ছাত্র সাহা যারা আমাকে এখানে আসেন সুযোগ
Anybody can buy a shirt and have that apparel. You can have your name.
Even I tried this. My speed was 19 at 60 seconds. It was a memorable moment for me. I was still dreaming that I'm in Netaji Indoor Stadium and that is also Tata Marathon Kolkata.
I was running. It was 19. Let's this is sundress. Shocks. First time up. Let's see it.
The man in black suit, he is Grandmaster Dibyendu Borua. So this is the first time I'm seeing him that close. And this is where people are buying race t-shirts. Some photo session is going on and I saw this lady in JBG also. Even army people are also participating. I went for the beep timing registration. I got to know that I don't have to do it. So the selfie zone, I mean a selfie I have taken, not a selfie zone. So that is Netaji Indoor Stadium. Proudly showing my beep and that is Netaji Indoor Stadium. And a guy, he clicked my picture. I asked him, so he clicked it. Apart from the beep, what else we have inside this goodie bag? So these are inside the goodie bag: cake, biscuit, cold drinks, so many things. And that was my t-shirt.